was sent something this morning that totally touched me and helped me see things in a different perspective. And you know what I realized? We have eagles and we have chickens. And you know one thing that distinguishes the two? An eagle can fly high. A chicken can fly. It can jump off the ground. It just can't fly. It can jump around. It can jump off, fall back down, and keep on flapping with the others, gossiping with the others. Going to the slaughter with the others. But the eagle flies high. And you know the thing I meant about an eagle? An eagle only mate with eagles. He only can hang with eagles. He can hang with chickens. We don't have nothing against chickens, but we can't hang with them. We eat them. You see what I'm saying? That's dinner. So how you gonna be hanging with the dinner? You see what I'm saying? I mean, on a hood perspective, think about it. How you hanging with the dinner? So, are you an eagle mingling with chickens? Are you a chicken trying to be an eagle? If it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. You can't force it. You got to be born into it. You got to be born into able to grind and outthink and overcome obstacles and situations in your life without letting them crumble you and fold you. You got to be born into that. You got to be born with wings. You just can't go get something fabricated and made and say, hey, I'm finna fly now. This is naturally. You might get off the ground, but you ain't gonna do it like an eagle, because we was born to do this. So if you an eagle, you was born to do this. Remember that. Keep that in mind. Don't lose sight of that, because that's your truth. In the midst of the storm, that's your truth. You was born to survive.